After their 17-year-old alliance got over, the BJP and the JDU have never left an opportunity to target each other.
The latest tussle is over a mega BJP rally in Patna, which is all set to clash with President Pranab Mukherjee's address. BJP has alleged that the Nitish government is doing it on purpose to sabotage Modi's rally on Nitish's turf.
Much before BJP's Hunkar rally kicks off in Bihar, a controversy has already made its presence felt, giving a new twist to the Modi-Nitish rivalry. The twist: Modi's rally is all set to clash with President Pranab Mukherjee's address, with BJP alleging that the Nitish government is purposely creating hurdles for Modi's address, which will act as a platform to showcase Modi as a hero on Nitish's turf.
Now he is trying to create complications, difficulties for the Bharatiya Janata Party to hold a rally. This is equally sad, but this is true. But he must realize one thing. If people want to come and hear Narendra Modi, no amount of difficulties which he might create for people who want to come and for the organizers to hold will stand in that way.
I know his nature, his temperament, the kind of the style of working. So deliberately this has been planned for 26th and 27th. So there can be inconvenience to the people coming to Patna.
BJP fears that the president's presence and security detail will upset the arrival of BJP workers. Amidst the BJP-JDU fight over clash of dates, Congress has completely rubbished BJP's charges, saying that the President of India cannot be invited for reasons to stop Narendra Modi.
It is also very surprising that after 17 years, you are together with JDU for more than 17 years, and today you are accusing each other. It is also very surprising. I am unable to understand.
Now, the BJP leaders are planning to meet the President of India, not to come to Patna on October 26 and 27, as it will intervene in Narendra Modi's rally in Patna. In Patna, with Kumar Saurabh, Prakash Singh for Times Now.